Hi, this is Ate Mam, and today is the first day of July, and July is a very special month for me since it is my birth month, and I just want to share with you like what happens every time na paparating yung birth month ko. The past few years, I always plan and excited for my birthday. And naisip ko the past few years, I always treat myself somewhere or buy myself flowers or go to a really fancy restaurant and invite my friends to eat with me. And yan, dapat hindi talaga nawawala yung flowers. I really like having flowers on my birthday. However, this year is kind of different kasi I was thinking, ano bang gustong gawin? Dumating na lang May, June, wala akong plano. Like, I'm not really looking forward to it. Ganun ba talaga pag tumatanda na? Parang ayaw mo na mag-birthday masyado ng bongga. Pero there's a thought in my mind always na since magto-28 na ako, parang 10 years after ng debut ko, gusto ko bang parang mag-debut ulit na parang princess or something. Kasi I remember when I had my debut back when I was 18 years old, it was a really fun one. I had my very close friends. I wore a white dress and I have cakes and I have food and it's held in my house. Pero naisip ko minsan na gusto ko rin na parang gawin na parang yung malaking debut talaga. Kaso, naisip ko siya, it's too short of a time, so I really can't accomplish it. And parang, kung hindi naman ganun, siguro mag-ipon na lang ako. And naisip ko, siguro sa ano ko na lang yun, kung loloobin ng Diyos, if 30 years old na ako, ganun. Parang a decade, 3-decade celebration. Magti-30 na ako. Anyways, ayun. So, I kept thinking, what do I want to do? And, ayun, actually, meron na akong naplano. And I'm really excited to do it. However, it is a really big project. It is a big project that needs a lot of effort, a lot of heart to do, and money. But it is something na, as I mentioned before, I was thinking na this series or this vlogs will be identifying what I want to be, what I want to do, and naisip ko, when I was reminiscing, nung maliit ako, ano bang gusto kong ginagawa? Nung high school ako, college, ano bang mga ginagawa kong nagustuhan ko? Even after. So, and I asked myself what I always do that I like or people see me doing. And hindi ko alam, baka ma-spoil ko, but it is a really big project and sa tulong at awa ng Diyos, sana magawa ko. And I kept evaluating myself. Is it something parang ayaw ipasabi sa akin, nahulog na yung camera. But, yeah, it is something na I always pray for guidance na magawa ko. And it's something big na sana I would be able to commit to, and it's something na sana magawa ko, and I sana kaya kong humingi ng tulong about it din kung hindi ko kaya. Samahan nawa ako ng Diyos. it is really a happy event that I am planning, and I hope you look out for the other videos about it. But yeah, I pray to God na sana He will keep blessing the people who loves me and who kept praying for me and bless me as well. Sana I am able to do things with love and always remember Him in all of the things that I do. And I think that would be all. Look forward for my next videos kasi pinaplano ko pa siya. And I mean, meron ng plano and I think I'm 10% already there. But yeah, look out for it. Maybe I will post something about it. I don't know. But if I don't need to post about anything about it, I think it's better. But if ever I need help, I will ask from you guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.